You might be asking yourself, what is all this happy birthday stuff? Well, I'm not going to explain it. Anyway, we're here in the house right now, and we're here at the bay window. We completed all of the sheathing and all of the roofing. It's raining really, really heavily for several days, and even though we have tarps up, we're getting a bit of a leak in a few areas because we don't have the fiberglass roofing material yet. But we wanted to give you guys a little house tour before the house is done, showing you what is going to be where. Right here, this is the bay window that we're going to have. It's going to be 3 vertical sections. We have to cut out some of these studs to get in there. And back here will just be primarily a lounge area. This is in the main house, you can see. Over to this side a little bit, past where I'm standing, we're going to have a couple more windows. Bit of a leak up there, you can see. But we're going to have a couple more windows here. This is kind of our living room space. Alright, and this is going towards the front of the house where you pass those windows here. This is going to be our main entrance door. We're choosing a particularly wide door because this is the only way into the house. And so we want to be able to load in larger items through here, preferably. Then as we go towards the front, the kitchen, there'll be another little window here, but then the kitchen island is going to be across here. Now we had a cool little idea, which is that part of the slide out here is going to have a little stub kitchen island so that we form kind of an L-shaped island all the way around, giving you a nice way to have more kitchen space. We wanted to have a little, what's it called, a little like bar on wheels as well.
Kitchen island?
Another kitchen island on wheels that you can kind of like move out of the way up against there or move it out here so you can kind of sit and have brunch. We are in the loft space. As you can see, I can almost stand up by the roof beams, but that's a little bit misleading because the floor will have a little bit of extra height and we're going to have the insulation protrude a little bit beneath this. But this is going to be kind of an open space we call it observation deck. So we have 5 windows up here kind of wrapping around the front of the vehicle so you can observe the nice sights outside. And aside from that, we're going to have a little compact staircase. It's not a huge height difference between the floor and the loft, so we don't need a really big staircase. We will have it there. And then over to this side, we're going to have, the kitchen is going to be bisected from the loft largely, and on this side we'll have some extra storage for less frequently used items, especially for the kitchen. We want to mostly keep our items that we're using every day within hand's reach, and items that we don't use every day out of hand's reach where you take a bit of time to go get them. Alright guys, I'll try not to kill myself while I'm out here, as we haven't on the floor yet. But this here is a slide out. So most of the slide out is going to be devoted to the bedroom, sort of. We're currently planning on having a queen or king size bed, which may sound a little bit alarming, but we should have space. It's just a matter of where do we want to give up some space here or there. But it would sit right here, and this is a maybe, but we currently want to have it rotate up to give us more usable floor space and to store some stuff underneath. It might sort of work like it folds up into a little compact desk, or it might fold up into like a dresser or something. We'll see. I can probably build that myself. And then as we move over here, this here will be the bathroom. Starting here, we're missing a floor joist because we need a spot to get in. But this would be the bathroom. We have our little dry toilet, our sink for washing our hands, and our little shower here. And that's pretty much it. That's what we got so far. It's very nice having the whole house roofed and sheathed in, even though we have a leak in some spots. I think our tarps have a hole in them. But we're working on it, and we're going to fiberglass the roof here pretty soon to hopefully get it more waterproof. Alright, awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.